These DIY Echinacea Halls are the perfect way to balance gut health without the use of questionable ingredients. To make them, you'll need peppermint tea, raw honey, slippery elm powder, and your favorite Echinacea tincture. Place the peppermint tea and honey in a small saucepan and stir until smooth. Bring to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Then turn the stove down to low and simmer until it reaches 300 degrees or the hard crack stage. The time will vary based on your environment, but you can expect about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the slippery elm powder and Echinacea tincture. Quickly pour the Echinacea Hall mixture into a candy mold, or you can also drop spoonfuls on parchment paper and mold into a lozenge shape. Let the Echinacea Halls cool and harden completely, then dust with arrowroot or cornstarch to prevent sticking. You can also dust them with a powdered sweetener to boost the taste. Store in a glass jar or plastic bag in a cool place for best results. These Echinacea Halls are a great staple for cold and flu season, but they're also great if you struggle with bad breath or an upset stomach. You can also take them as a preventative measure to boost your immune system.